Good morning, guys. Happy Easter. Hello, guys. We're going to make donut today. Now we have flour. This is shortening. Next, we have the yeast. We have the milk, salt, and sugar. And this is the egg. I also need water. Mix the sugar, salt, and milk. Salt the yeast in the flour mixture. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And then we're going to mix it. Ta-da! We're ready to fry donuts. Donut. Onion rings. Yum.
It's not onion rings. See? Almost everyone.
Now that the donuts are cooked, they're ready to decorate. It's sending! Maybe. No.
This one, the eyes in the donut.
How to do it?
And maybe the other eye in the middle.
It looks like the eye alien.
Looks like an alien.
For your hands.
I'm going to choose this one. Can't wait to try it. Full. I dip in chocolate. Here. Not too much.
Just like that.
Here's the tip. You don't have to put too much chocolate or else it'll be like a little bit bitter and a little bit messy.
Ooh!
Eating some spring. I'm a donut pastry chef.
Eyes in it.
I'm going to do mixed colors. That would be like wonderful. Maybe a little bit more like this. Let's hope you.
It's these in the donuts.
Look at this.
And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one.